Basahan lang nila ko.
Yun na, kay Kado na.
Ha?
Ready na?
Basahan lang lagi na ko. Sige na.
Sige, sige. Yeah. Number 1. Get number 1.
I-edit lang. I-edit.
So,
Na may edit-edit.
how did... Oh, ito.
Oh.
How does...
Kami ang mapalanggan. Na.
How does computer technology help you in your work as a OFW?
Computer technology helps me a lot, especially in communication. I use my phone and laptop to stay connecting with my employer and my family in the Philippines. It makes my work easier and less stressful.
What communication tools do you usually use?
I usually use message, WhatsApp, emails, and video calls. And sometimes I also use Zoom when attending online seminars for OFWs.
How important is communication through computers to you?
It is very important because I am far from my family. Through video calls and chat, I can still see and talk to them every day. I reduce homesickness and makes me feel closer to them.
Kato lang wala eh. Wala.
Usa na lang! Ha?
Sige, sana lang. Did computer improve your skills or knowledge?
Yes, I learned how to use different apps, send emails, and search for helpful information online. I also learned basic computer skills which are useful for my future.